Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to add clock widget in Windows 11. Let's start with the video. First click on search box. Type Microsoft Store. Click on Microsoft Store. So under the Microsoft Store, go to the search box, type widget, press enter. Click on this app. So first you need to download and install this app. So click on get. It will take some time, so wait for a few seconds. Open the app. And this window will be open. Now what we need to go here, we can make some setting. Click on setting. Now click on preference. This is only for widgets. You can change it, like if you want to run on startup, click on this. If you want to hide on startup, click on this. You can also change the appearance like colors and other themes from here. You can also check the information of this app by clicking on about option. Okay, close this window. So here is layout option, click on this. So here you can create layout from current widgets. So this is for customize your current widgets. If you want to add the new widget on your desktop, so we need to click on new widgets. So click on new widget. So by default we can see the timer has been come here. You can rename it like type clock. You can also click on time from here. And from here you can customize it. So click on customize. Here you can adjust the width and height, like you can change it from here. You can see it is changing here. Here you can make it movable, like it is already enabled, so you can move it. Click on this again, it will be disabled, so I will make it enable. You can make it always on top, and you can make it unclickable, like you can see it is not clickable. When you click on this, it will be clickable. Here is some other changes, like you can click on show second and you can see on your screen it is showing seconds. You can also change the format of this timer. Click on this. Here you can see text align. You can also change the background color from here, like click on this. You can see the color of your background has been changed, and you can also change the background corner radius, like you can see it is changing from here. After change, just come up here. You can see our clock widget has run now. So just close it. Now you can see our clock widget setting has been done successfully. Now if you want to remove it, then again open this app and from here click on remove and then click on yes. By clicking on yes, it will be removed from here. So guys, in this video we saw how we can add clock widget in our Windows 11. If you find the video helpful, then do like and subscribe my YouTube channel.